but couldn't be with me because she was straight. I respectfully disagree, but that's what it is. All right. So this is called the nature of nurture. The syntax of rosebuds leaves my lips full of thorns. My pallor has drained into a puddle at your feet. I live in a bathtub that's too small and tight for my little body. This is not a party, but a broken mirror and a handful of Sour Patch Kids, and I have not tasted you since 54 days with 0. Can we have just a night where that's all I do? And my tongue can become ship and your thighs become Pacific. Give to me what I never wanted to want to take from you. Glitter touch my cheeks. Glitter spiders make webs of my veins. I turn streetlights upside down and drink up the neon. I want my belly to spark and sweat and glow. I love you when you're the moon and less when you're the sun. I can only stare so when you have darkness they can't share with us. A body is a temple, a body is a church, a body is leather, black, curling fingers into sand, a bra tossed across the headboard like a lace crucifix. A body is chewed gum sitting like a pebble in my mouth, is worthless when not in a bed, when not trying to inhale another one is crumbs. Our bodies sit spread, each on either side of this silence. Your mouth is a mausoleum, is charcoal fingers, is unspooled velvet. Last time we were here, my stomach was a heavy burden, and I did not call you by name but by sound. Now with our goodbye touch, the skin we leave behind is swollen. My tongue a bee sting, your eyes my grandmother spot on the couch before she died. The color of a corpse's gums, the teeth of a February morning, scuffed tap shoes, and a bloody nose. Trinkets from my months with you. The boy has no bite to be worse than his bark. I lick blood off my thumb and turn the page. Thank you.